This fucking map sucks.
Team deathmatch.
What up, creamsicles?
We've got enemy inbound. Lock and load. Taking fire.
Taking fire. Ah! I suck at this, dude.
We're halfway there.
Oh, this car blew up. The car was already blew up because it was on fire. So that's what it means.
Enemy at the shop.
That sucked.
Enemy personal radar in the air.
Enemy at the shop.
Ah, he's in the very, very back. Very, 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 very back. Oh, he's right there in the very, very back still.
Enemy at the scout.
I'm dirty.
Yeah, man, they're all the way in the back. They're just chilling in the back now.
Yeah, I know. Mama's a whore.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Point
30
blank that
seconds.
motherfucker. What the fuck?
Excellent. Well done.
That dude fell off the top of the bus. Orange Houdini. Oh, fuck you guys up. One operator either.
It kind of sounded weird, but like I wonder because you don't have your PC.
Man, fuck PC.
Right, you can easily add Roblox.
PC's made for bitches.
Right, it's just a download. What are you gonna get? A virus from?
That's why Xbox is better.
Alright, Cam, I'm hopping on phone.
You're hopping on Fortnite. Gay. Adam's about to kick my ass. What's this shit, bro? Please let me be on the team where I get to play that one dude. Aw, oh, damn it, Adam, you're on my team. Good. I don't know. I don't need no grenade to get a kill. I can just shoot the guy in the face. Somebody took my kill. I'm gonna fuck his mom. Cause you're a piece of shit. Suck on my big ass dong. Bitch, you can't fight me. I got a motherfucking MP7 that goes faster than you. Ow! Fuck that sniper. I'm trying to run in on these guys, but oh, we're all dying. We all fucking suck. These kids are just trying their fucking dicks off. Don't play this game anymore, Adam! Not Adam, I mean Truth, whatever the fuck your name is.
UAV
Be up here.
I feel like I get shot in the head more often when I'm crashing. Because most people aim for center mass.
God dang it!
I end up hitting you in the fucking face. Right?
Every single fucking guy on this team's camping because they're little fucking bitches. So much.
It's just a video game.
Fuck this game, dude! What the hell? The door wasn't even open. God!
Enemy at the
This bitch is
scaffold.
just sitting in this fucking room. I'm running in. Okay, they're screwed. This is pissing me off. They want to run around with shotguns? Alright, okay. Okay, you pissed the wrong one off with fucking shotguns, damn it. Is your mom's about to get fucked? Your mom's about to get fucked?
We're in the lead.
Your mom just got fucked. Why don't you call her and tell her how bad a shotgun fucked you?
Enemy at the buses.
We've got a UAV on station, ready for flyover. Be advised,
Enemy at
friendly
the
white
buses.
phosphorus inbound.
Oh, you
Wilson ready to roll out.
What the fuck was that? What'd you just say?
Friendly care package inbound.
Ah, he finally got me.
UAV is
They finally got me, dude.
resupply.
Why'd you wipe her off her fist?
Loader 2-0, heading
The fuck? Oh, y'all might got that, but I got something 10 times better. Bullies are at, kids. Oh, I see one of the bullies. They're up here. Oh, I'm coming for you.
You activated the UAV for a second. Like,
Hi, I'm coming in. This is why you shouldn't have pissed me off with shotguns. Yeah, you better run, boy. Oh.
Mark on the grid. Send it.
Loader 2-0, good copy. Extra strike away. Got a UAV on.
Got him.
Cluster strike is gone.
Yeah, y'all got fucked. Oh, shit, dude.
Wilson ready to roll
I
out.
told you, they shouldn't have pissed me off with shotguns, man. I was just trying to have a nice little game with the SMGs, but they made me bring out my fucking 725. Dude, I hate driving this thing. Ran in here. Woo! Y'all shouldn't have used shotguns, man.
Striking Wilson.
Oh, y'all pissed me off with those shotguns, and I had to come in and fuck y'all up with mine. 2 Wilsons in one game. 2. You can ask Adam. I told y'all pissed me off. Didn't I say it? Didn't I say they shouldn't have pissed me off?
he did indeed say it.